Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. In the previous video, you have seen an activity for addition of integers. Today, let us see an activity for subtraction of integers. So for subtracting two integers, you have to understand the rule that to subtract an integer, it is nothing but we are going to add its opposite. In the previous video itself, I told what is an opposite. Opposite of 5 is minus 5. Opposite of 4 is minus 4. Opposite of 7 is minus 7. Opposite of minus 8 is plus 8, etc. We are changing the sign. You call this also as an additive inverse of an integer. Now in your lower classes, you have learned to subtract the whole numbers. Subtract 7 minus 4. Where you got the answer as 3. Now, this can also be written as addition model. So, this I am going to write it in the form of addition model. That is, I am going to add its opposite. So, you will get the addition model as 7 plus minus 4. That is, I am going to add, what is additive inverse of 4? Is minus 4. I am going to add its opposite. Here there was a subtraction sign. Here I am having a addition sign. To make this subtraction as addition, I am going to add its additive inverse of the second number. That is 4. Additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Now let us see this through an activity. Suppose if I want to make it as addition model through an activity, let us take the same number 7 plus minus 4. How to do through this activity? Get the answer to this activity. You know the answer is equal to 3. So let us do this through an activity. You are having positive 7. So I am going to keep 7 positive. You are able to see here I kept 7 positive pawns over here. So let us assume that white denotes positive and black denotes negative. Here since it is 7 plus minus 4, I kept 7 positive pawns over here. Now what is it? To make it as addition, I have to add, see the addition symbol over here. I had to add 4 negative pawns. So I am going to add now 4 negative pawns over here. I have added 4 negative pawns. Now can you guess the answer? Yes, it's very easy to guess the answer. As you know earlier that 1 positive pawn and 1 negative pawn will give me 0. So wherever you are able to find the pairs 1 positive and 1 negative, you can remove this. So I can remove all these 4 pairs. 1 positive, 1 negative. 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative and 1 positive and 1 negative. So I am going to remove all these 4 pairs. Now, so what is remaining? The remaining is 3 pawns. So the remaining is 3 pawns. But what is the color of this 3 pawns? White. So white stands for positive. So my answer is plus 3. So you understood that subtraction of an integer is nothing but adding its opposite. Now let me give you another example. Suppose if you are having the second example, let us move on to the second example. You are having minus 6 minus 2. So this can be written as minus 6. To make it positive, I will be taking the additive inverse of minus 2, the additive inverse of 2, which is equal to minus 2. Now since I am having 6 white pawns, I am going to keep 6 white pawns over here. Sorry, by black denotes negative. So I will be keeping 6 black pawns. Now I kept 6 black pawns. After that I had to add again 2 more black pawns. Now, what is my answer? If I am going to able to see the answer, this is an addition. If I am able to see the answer, how many black pawns are there? There are 8 black pawns. And what is the sign of this black? Black denotes negative. So, from this you can very easily understand subtraction of an integer is nothing but add to its opposite. Here it was minus 6 and you are subtracting minus 2. This I have made it positive by adding minus. Additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. So I kept minus 6. 6 minus denotes black pawns. So I kept 6 black pawns and I added 2 more black pawns. So my total comes out to be 8. And the color of this 8 is equal to this black pawns is minus. Since I denoted over here, white stands for plus and black stands for minus. So it's minus 8. Hope you understood this subtraction of integers through an activity. Moving on to one more example. Minus 2 subtract minus 2 minus of minus 7. This I had to change it to addition. How will I change? I will write minus 2 plus the additive inverse of minus 7 is plus 7. So this is how I can write. Now I am going to take 2 black pawns. So I will keep 2 black pawns over here. And after that I will be keeping 7 white pawns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us keep the blacks over here. Now as you know earlier, one pair of black and white will get removed and also one pair of black and white over here gets removed since it is equal to 0. As you know always plus 1 minus 1 is equal to always 0, as plus 1 denotes white and minus 1 denotes black. So 1 black and 1 white will always give me 0. So I can remove these 2 pairs. Now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is equal to 5. What is the sign of this white color? It is positive. So I am getting plus 5. So this is how you subtract the integers using activity. Now after understanding the concept of subtracting the integers using by the means of activity, now let us subtract these integers without doing the activity, that is mathematically. It is given subtract without activity. So 8 from 3. So whenever you have a word from, please understand, whenever you have the word from in integers, that means you have to subtract the first integer from the second integer. So that step I will be writing. If I am writing this step, I will not make many mistake in the calculation. So I am going to write, since there is a word from, I am going to write second integer minus first integer in bracket. This formula, if you are going to remember, it will be very useful for you in the next chapter, in the ongoing chapter where algebraic expression, it will be very useful for you. So please remember this formula. So whenever you second integer minus first integer. So now what is my second integer? 3 minus what is my first integer? 8. Now this can be written as 3 minus 8 and this is equal to, I said, opposite of mixture of signs is always a subtraction. So 8 minus, first you have to subtract the magnitudes. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. The sign of the bigger number is minus, so I am going to put the minus sign. So this can also be done by the opposite, that is, I told subtracting is nothing but adding an integer, opposite integer. So how I am going to do? 3 plus minus 8. Again the same method, opposite of signs. So subtract the magnitude. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Sign of the bigger number is minus, so I am going to get minus. Both the ways you can do, whichever method you feel easy. But whenever you have from, please don't forget, you have to remember this formula, that is second integer minus first integer in bracket. This bracket is very essential. It has to be written in bracket. The first integer has to be written in bracket. Now let us move on to the second sum. Minus 7 from 13. So what is the formula? Every time don't forget to write the formula. Second integer minus first integer in bracket. Now what is your second integer? 13 is my second integer. 13 minus first integer is minus 7. Now this is 13. Whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, it is its additive inverse of the number given in the bracket. What is additive inverse of minus 7? It is plus 7. So my answer is 20. So this can also done by second method. 13 plus opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. So 13 plus 7 is also equal to 20. Both the methods are right. Now again third sum, 5 from minus 1. What is the formula? Second integer minus first integer in bracket. So what is the second integer? Minus 1 minus first integer is 5. So this can be written as minus 1 minus 5. Since both are having same signs means add. So minus 6. Same signs, add the magnitude. 5 plus 1 6 and put the sign. It is minus 6. Coming over here, minus 7 from minus 2. Formula, second integer minus first integer in bracket. So what is the second integer? Minus 2 minus first integer is minus 7. So it is minus 2. Minus sign outside the bracket, additive inverse of this number. So it is plus 7. Subtract the magnitudes. 7 minus 2 is 5. Sign of the bigger number is plus. So this is how you do the subtraction whenever there is a word from in the question. Hope you understood these sums very clearly. Now it's quiz time for you. Here I have drawn a pyramid. So using this pyramid, you have to find the final answer over here. How to? I'll give one example for you. In the above blank, minus 4 plus 2 will be equal to minus 2. So similarly, you have to add these two integers and write the answer over here. This process will go on and you have to find the final answer at the end of the pyramid. This is the first one. Second one. Each vowel has given a value as shown in the table, and value of all consonants is 4. This you have to remember. All the consonants will have the value 4. Now A, E, I, O, U is given. A, the value of A is minus 8. E is minus 13. I is minus 10. O is minus 4. And U is minus 9. Now using these value, you have to find the value of the word peacock, lion and India. Next part of the question. Now, here you have to compare the values which is greater. Either dog is greater or cat is greater. And here I have given two words above and below. Putting the values for all these words, you have to find which word is greater. Hope you enjoyed this video.